Hello friends, have you ever wondered why certain people they remain average in their career while others make a significant impact? With my 17 years of experience in IT, I've realized that it's not just the technical skills that make someone significant. Apart from technical skills, there are certain set of skills which are very much required for a person to excel in his career. Now, what are those skills? In this video, I will take you through a presentation which lists all those skills. I'm Yurish Reddy. I work as an IT enterprise architect. With over 17 years of experience, I have served many global companies. And in this presentation, I will share with you the skills that are profound. And despite of the changing technical scenarios, these skills will stay with you and make you a better professional. So we'll start. The first skill which I want to mention is the documentation skills. See why documentation is important. It's a very important and effective method to share the information. We communicate in a lot of ways. We send emails, we have meetings, calls, okay, chat. But when you document something, that becomes permanent. Okay, and it's very easy to share, and it remains with the recipients. Okay. Also, documentation is forever, and whatever you create, it is your legacy. So even if you change organization, still the documents which you have created will carry your name, okay, and they will stay with your organization. So whenever you create the documents, automatically you will become creative because you have to put your thought process while creating a documentation, and the document has to be a precise and concise one with the right message included in it. Okay, so it makes you organized as well. Okay, so it's very important skill. The next skill, which is quite significant, is the presentation skills. So why you should develop presentation skill? Simple answer is that to better than to be better than your competition. And when you are presenting, you are in the spotlight. Okay, this is a vital skill for individual growth. Coming into a spotlight, talking to audience, it requires courage and preparation as well. And just to share, the leadership skill is equivalent. It's the presentation skill is also known as a leadership skill. So you understand the importance of it. Okay? Presentation is time bound, and hence when you do a presentation, you will learn how to convey your message or how to communicate effectively in a stipulated time. So this is very important as you grow up the corporate ladder. Negotiation skills. Team, you must be very good in negotiating if you are jumping many organizations and trying to get the CTC and the salary you want. Okay, so as written over here, this is a frequently required skill. Even before you join your organization, you start the negotiations with the recruiter, with the HR. Similarly, once you join, you have to negotiate a lot about your career growth, promotions, the project roles. Similarly, if you are in a role of, say, consultant or pre-sales, you have to negotiate with your partners, colleagues, vendors. Okay? And not only that, even when you are separating from an organization, this skill becomes very crucial, where you have to negotiate the departure or the exit from with your management and the HR. So it's very crucial. Networking skills. Network is equal to net worth. It's rightly said. Why it is important? In an organization, if you are serving multiple projects, or once your project ends and you want to find a new project, how you'll do that? You cannot rely on the recruiters, or you cannot rely on your manager. So in such cases, you compulsory need to have a good network. Okay, so build a professional as well as social network within your organization and outside as well. Why? The network is the best source of information about opportunities. Okay, and you will, as your networking grows, you'll see the wonder. Okay? Also, be in touch with those who can assist you in your career path. communicate with them regularly, try to get their advice. How are the career tracks changing? What are the different growth opportunities, technological changes? That will really help you. Self-learning is the most important skill of all. Why? Today, managers, they love the people who train themselves, okay? Who can learn the things on their own. It's becoming very difficult to organize a training, spend lakhs of rupees on the employee trainings. So those employees who can learn on their own self are very much sought after by the management. So please put your efforts in self-learning, learn that skill. It's an immediate requirement right now. And whatever skills which are mentioned in the previous slides, like the documentation skill or the presentation skill, so you have to learn it. You have to put your own efforts, and not only you should learn it, you should implement it. Okay, and that's when it becomes profound. It stays with you. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, please share with your friends so that it can benefit others as well. Thank you.